today. I hope everything is doing great and wonderful in God's grace. Welcome to our third week. This week, you're going to learn about PMDAS or GMDAS. What do we mean by PMDAS or GMDAS? At the end of this week, you will be able to perform a series of more than 2 operations on whole numbers, applying PMDAS or GMDAS correctly. Okay, before we proceed to our topic, let us have some trivia! What sign was invented in 1557 by Welsh mathematician Robert Ricorday? It is from the Latin word aequalis, as meaning uniform or identical. Do you already have your answer, Guadans? We are going to answer this trivia at the last part of our video. Come on, let's go back to our topic. We have here equation. Quantity 10 divided by 2 times 5 quantity. How are we going to solve this type of equation? But what if this series of operation is again multiplied to another equation? And again, we're going to add it by 2. How are we going to answer this very long operation? Should we just divide 10 by 2 and then multiply it by 5 and then multiply it by 14 and add it by 6, then subtract it by 4 and then lastly add it by 2? No! We actually have a rule in solving this kind of equation, and that is the PMDAS or the GMDAS. The PMDAS or the GMDAS will help us in solving this type of equation. What do we mean by PMDAS? So that is P for parentheses. It means we're going to solve what is inside the parentheses first. Next, we're going to solve multiplication or division. Multiplication and division are with equal importance here. All we have to do is to solve the equation from left to right. Next is addition or subtraction. Again, addition and subtraction here are of equal importance. And we're going to solve the equation from left to right. Another term for PMDAS is GMDAS. So, what do we mean by GMDAS? GMDAS is actually the same as PMDAS, while G is the grouping symbols, or the parentheses, or the braces, or the brackets. We are going to eliminate or solve first what is inside the parentheses or grouping symbols, what is inside the braces or brackets. Next is the same, multiplication or division with same importance, and we're going to solve them from left to right. Addition or subtraction, again with equal importance, from left to right. Okay, let us try to solve the equation using the PMDAS or GMDAS rule. Okay, let us try to solve the equation using the PMDAS or GMDAS rule. First is the parentheses. First, we're going to solve what is inside the parentheses. So that will be 10 divided by 2. So that will be 10 divided by 2 is 5 and then times 5. Another parenthesis, so that will be 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6 is 20. And then minus 4 plus 2. Next, we still have the parenthesis. So 5 times 5 is 25 times 20 minus 4 is 16 and then plus 2. Now, do we still have a parenthesis here? No. The next is we will solve multiplication or division from left to right. Here we have multiplication. So we are going to multiply 25 by 16 first. So that will be 400. Then add 2. 400 plus 2 is equal to? What is 400 plus 2, Guadans? Excellent, Guadans. That is 402. Let us have another example. Quantity 7 times 9, quantity minus 3 plus 8. What's our answer here? First, we will solve what is inside the parentheses. So that is 7 times 9 is equal to 63. Then, minus 3 plus 8. Now, do we still have a grouping symbol here? No more. Do we have a multiplication or division here? No more. Then we will proceed to addition or subtraction from left to right. So 63 minus 3 is 60. Plus 8 is, what's your answer, Guadans? Great job, Guadans. That is 68. One more example. 18 minus quantity 12 divided by 6, quantity plus 7. First, we will solve what is inside the parentheses. So that is 12 divided by 6. So we will copy 18 minus 2. 12 divided by 6 is 2, then plus 7. Next, let's check again. Do we have parentheses? No more. Multiplication or division symbol? No more. Then let us proceed to addition or subtraction from left to right. That will be 18 minus 2 is 16 plus 7 is equal to, what's your answer, Guadans? Marvelous, Guadans. That is 23. One last example. 7 minus 5 plus 8 times quantity 12 divided by 6 quantity. What's your answer here, Guadans? Okay, let us solve again. First, inside the parentheses. So that will be 12 divided by 6. First, we're going to copy 7 minus 5 plus 8 times 12 divided by 6 is 2. Next, do we have parentheses? No more. Do we have multiplication or division? Yes, so that will be 7 minus 5 and then 8 times 2 is 16. The next process is, do we have parentheses? No more. Multiplication or division? No more. Then we will proceed to addition or subtraction from left to right. 7 minus 5, that's 2. And then plus 16. 2 plus 16 is, what's your answer, Guadans? You're doing a wonderful job, Guadans. That is 18. You're very excellent, Guadans. Thank you so much for learning with me and always enjoy mathematics. Now, let us proceed to our trivia. What sign was invented in 1557 by Welsh mathematician Robert Ricordi? It is from the Latin word aequalis, as meaning uniform or identical. What's your answer here, Guadans? Wonderful, Guadans! That is the equal sign. Again, thank you so much for learning with me, Guadans. See you on the next video. God bless!